In John chapter 1, we read about the light that shined in the darkness. There's that whole prologue to the Gospel of John. And I think about that light shining in the darkness. And it reminds me of a story a friend of mine told me about their childhood. This friend of mine grew up in a rough area, had family struggles as a kid. And they said when they would go into the kitchen and turn the light on, that dozens of cockroaches would scatter. Right? So the light dispels the darkness, doesn't it? Here's something to consider. You and I are not sitting in the kitchen waiting for someone to turn the lights on so all those cockroaches can just leave us alone. We are the bugs that run away from the light. The darkness is our unbelieving heart. We are the ones who have run away from the gospel and run away from God. There's a quote from David Brainerd, that great missionary, who said this: "If I ever get to heaven, it will be because God will and nothing else. For I never did anything of myself but get away from God." The only thing I have actually done is doubt God and question God and run away from the gospel. And Ephesians 5:8 backs that up. It says, "You were once darkness." There was a day and there was a time when we ran away from the truth of the gospel. But Ephesians 5 says, "Now you're light in the Lord."